Meta AI model generates text, images with single transformer. Although AI has been evolving at a perpetual pace since it came into being, it still suffers from bottlenecks when it comes to training AI models. That is because of the intricacies woven around language models, since they deal with discrete values, whereas image generation models deal with pixel values. Multimodal being developed these days employ techniques that result in a tarnished quality of data representation. To keep the quality of representing data intact and relatively higher, research scientists from Meta, in collaboration with the University of Southern California, introduced transfusion, bringing an utmost method of handling both discrete and continuous modalities with a single model. Meta AI senior research scientist Changting Zhou said, diffusion models and next token prediction autoregressive models represent the best worlds for generating continuous and discrete data respectively. This inspired us to develop a new multimodal that combined the best of both worlds in a natural and simple way. Transfusion is a workaround to train a single model to handle multimodalities without quantization or separate modules. The primary objective behind this approach is to train a single model for both language modeling for text and diffusion for images. For the integration of the ability to process and generate both text and images, transfusion merges these two objectives to train a single transformer model. While training this model interacts with both text and image data, prompting the implementation of the loss functions for language modeling and diffusion. Meta researchers write in the paper, we show it's possible to fully integrate both modalities with no information loss by training a single model to both predict discrete text tokens and diffuse continuous images. Infinity Meta is a social media and metaverse platform that allows users to connect, create, and explore virtual worlds. To log into the Infinity Meta app, users need to download the app, create an account using their email or social media credentials, and verify their identity through a confirmation link or code sent to their email.